So yeah, here we are at the 4th or 5th station of today, at the Acton Mainline station, which apparently has no trains running from it today, but we know better. There's no TfL rail trains running today, but there are also some Great Western Railway and Heathrow Express etc. trains passing through. So, I have never caught one of the IETs, that's the 8300s, or the, what do you call them? Just the IETs, any of them. So it'll be nice to catch one today. So I don't know anything about Acton Mainline. I've never been here before, so let's have a look, see what turns up. $802.013 and $802.014 going to somewhere. I think it's Taunton. I'll have a look. Heathrow Express. $332.008 going from Heathrow Terminal 5 to London Paddington. Train, I don't know what it is. $43.198 and $43.063. No idea where it's going. Okay, here we have a Heathrow Express going to Heathrow Terminal 5. Class 332. Whenever it turns up. Going very slowly. 332002. And 332010. It's going to Heathrow Terminal 5. Oh, okay. Okay, here it is. 2 Tango 42. $362.02 going to Heathrow Terminal 4 from London Paddington. That was not Heathrow Connect, it was TfL Rail. I really need to get my operators right. Some time ago, you may remember there being a HST from Great Western Railway coming through. I'm actually very lucky to see that, because most of them are IETs now. And I was going from Penzance to Paddington. Great Western Railway Class 387 into Didcot Parkway to November 47. $387.170 and $387.174 going to Didcot Parkway from Paddington. Here comes another 387 going in the opposite direction from Didcot to Paddington. $387.134 and $387.159 going from Didcot to Paddington. We have 2 trains passing through now. One is a Heathrow Express Class 332. It's a 332.007, and this is 362.01 with a service from Terminal 4 to Paddington. The Heathrow Express is obviously from Terminal 5. Some sort of IET passing by. $800.015 and $800.010, probably from Swansea, I don't know, going to Paddington. IT going from Weston-super-Mare to Paddington. Couldn't get the number of the front, but at the back it was 800 006. Going from Weston-super-Mare to Paddington. So now just round up today. Had a very busy day. Started off, seems ages ago, we started off at Haringey this morning. So we started off at Haringey, and then we went to West Hampstead, and then South Kenton, and then finally here, and that rounds up our trip today. So if you like, please like and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, thanks very much for watching.